My name is Vivian Mulenga from the city of Ndola, Zambia. The symptoms that I started experiencing were coughing. I started having some asthmatic attacks. Then I also started experiencing gases, stomach gases. I started becoming breathless. I kept on visiting a lot of hospitals so that I could find a solution. I couldn't find one. Most of the hospitals that I visited only tried to help me with the painkillers to ease the pain. Until one day when I passed out. I passed out, it was an emergency. My husband rushed me to the hospital. That's when they did thorough investigations and told me that I had a problem with my heart. A friend of mine tagged me on Facebook about the hospital called Wockhardt here in India, Mumbai. She told me that she had heard about it and that there were good cardiologists there. So she advised me to actually visit one of the biggest hospitals we have in Ndola to do some tests. The doctors checked me, the doctors from India. They checked me and then they advised me that my problem was something they could work on right here in India. Welcome, Vivian. So already I felt at home. And when he picked me, brought me to the hospital, the attention at the hospital was so good, such that I felt better even before the treatment began. They took care of me from the car park up until I was taken to my room. The doctor was very good because he was clear and straightforward with me, and he kept on giving me instant feedback.
She has been suffering from the chest pain and breathlessness since last 6 months. So she has been admitted to the local hospital with the same since last 4 months. So when this case was referred to us, it was clearly a leak in a bigger valve of a heart known as the aortic valve. So it was not just a leak from the valve, it was a leak from the perforation or an extra hole she got in her aortic valve, and that is because of bacterial infection she got 4 months before. So it was not change of a valve what the people are doing routinely. Apart from that, we need to close the hole which is giving her more symptoms. So during the surgery was absolutely uneventful with the change of a valve as well as the closure of hole which has created beside the valve.
I had stayed with this disease for almost a year. I never felt any better. I started feeling better. I was a different person. Most of the things that were troubling me had disappeared. It was a miracle because I had been searching for a solution for almost a year. Before the operation, I was not able to talk for this long. For people that knew me, I would only talk for 3 minutes and get tired or become breathless. I was not able to lift my hands like this, but then I can stretch them. I can stretch them and breathe comfortably.